The X-Treme PRO is Enimac's solution for applying double-sided adhesive tape to many types of wide-format products. It unifies over 40 years of experience and the best that today's technology has to offer. With a maximum sheet width of 1600 millimeters, it can easily accommodate the largest formats of offset printing and many formats of digital printing. Our patented application system eliminates all of the technical gaps associated with the old pneumatic systems, which were the cause of most major application and maintenance problems. The double photocell easily reads color and transparent materials and permits the application of tape anywhere necessary. The minimum applicable tape spot length is 25 millimeters. Spots can be at regular and irregular intervals to save tape and simplify handling. The X-Treme PRO can apply any type of double-sided adhesive tape, such as TNT, PET, PE, PVC, foam, and VHP, in widths from 6 to 60 millimeters, thickness up to 2 millimeters, which bond better to materials other than paper, such as PVC, crystal, and Forex, product thickness up to 15 millimeters. The touchscreen allows you to independently program and display the data of each applicator head. The proprietary software is very easy to use. The X-Treme PRO can reach throughput speeds of 50 meters per minute, greatly increasing real productivity. The X-Treme applicator head is a robust, reliable, and flexible tool for automatically applying double-sided adhesive tape. The fastening and release system allows for quick changing of tape rolls and easy maintenance. With the X-Treme PRO, you can apply double-sided adhesive tape to envelopes, postcards, posters, booklets, advertising leaflets, sales sample books, catalogs, advertising materials, calendars, counter displays, stretched carton packaging, corrugated board packaging, floor displays, polypropylene boxes, CD, DVD trays, and much, much more. Among the advantages of using the X-Treme PRO, instant adhesive bonding with no wait for drying time, clean and fast application of tape, exact definition of length of tape applied, precise positioning of the tape, easy to use, so there's minimal training, increased productivity, low energy consumption, and very low maintenance costs.